Good morning to all of you. Selamat pagi. And then we want to explore about what we did in Indonesia. We have a 7 CMU center. I just coordinate for 7 CMU center in Indonesia. And we try to work close together with the government of Indonesia and the teacher training center. I have two teams, Mr. Vidi and Mr. Eni, join with us. Why we try to develop the metaverse? Because in Southeast Asia, there is 11 countries. How we can invite the teacher come together with low cost? One tool is metaverse. We developed in the last 2 years the metaverse in Indonesia for 400 vocational school and more than 10 university in Indonesia, for example. And then why we disseminate the metaverse? Because we want to we have 3 million teachers in Indonesia and then more than 50 million students across Indonesia. How we can upskill them? How we develop together for 6,000 islands, the school around 6,000 islands across Indonesia. And then just a tool, the metaverse a tool, how we can prepare it together for our teacher and our student and our lecture, for example. And this is, for example, that we prepare together for vocational school. You can check in the YouTube. We invite them, we train them short in 1 month and then let them prepare for metaverse, the virtual room. And then everybody can join to the vocational school and then another vocational school in the West Java and then also all in West Java. We have now 38 provinces, but now we try to focus on 5 provinces who have high population in Java and Kalimantan and Sumatra. And then use this tool, the metaverse, how we can invite the teacher, the principal and the student come together in one room, virtual room, and then they can learn each other among them. And then also this is in East Java, what we did already as a sample. Who run this program is the student. Student, they know each other, we train them, and then let them discuss not only the language, but also the technology and the knowledge and the local culture, something like through this room, for example. And then also North Kalimantan, this new province in Indonesia. There is investment over there. How we can prepare the student in North Kalimantan with the new technology. This is one way. This is a lot of alternative that we can prepare together. Can you do in Tarakan, Nunukan, this is north part of Indonesia near the Malaysia. But we use this tool to update the teacher and the student to get the new technology across the country. And then we work close together with Thailand. We work with around 10 colleges in Thailand. So we call join program, join room between each college and around 20 vocational school and university sit together, and then we develop the joint program through the metaverse. This is what we did already in the last 2 years. And the last November, we went to Vigan. Vigan in Philippines. We invite by the Vigan Normal University. There is 34 Philippine university come together and 14 Indonesian come together, and we share what we can do together between 49 university across Indonesia and Philippines and Thailand. Because it's the future virtual building, the future program that everybody can join together through the Meta Exchange, something like this. We will discuss also this year with Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and also the Laos, how we prepare the virtual room to expand our cooperation. And then come we in the program, this is our teachers. We have more than 14,000 vocational school. How we can train the vocational teacher? This is one of the the teacher training center in vocational we have in Malang. We have 7 teacher training center, how we upskill them. And this is, the teacher can come to this metaverse room and we train them with the latest technology, with latest information for the teacher. And then every teacher can see what happened with the leader of this information. You can see in the YouTube how we can prepare it together. And this, we come to artificial intelligence in education in Indonesia. We developed so we call Gemma GPT. You know about ChatGPT? Everybody know. But we want to introduce Gemma GPT. It's abbreviation from Gatot, Annie, for, and then Muntari GPT. We develop ChatGPT and then we insert our program, our database in the 10 area. This is the area in technopreneur, and then also in law, and then also in fishery. Why we use for fishery? We have 800 vocational school and more than 20 polytechnic in fishery. How we can update the knowledge? How we can prepare 1 kilo catfish under $1. This is a new technology that we can distribute to all the Indonesia through the AI. Because AI is just a tool, but the best research in one university, in one polytechnic, and we can distribute as fast as possible across the Indonesia. And also another STEM, we just prepare for AI and STEM. We will invite you maybe in 2 July, there is cooperation between STEM Ed and then Rexcam and then Kitab and Science close together webinar to share the best practice from 3 countries. Let me use that. And then also agriculture and then CNC for the industry, especially for the mathematics and the other thing. And this, we tried in only 10 area, focus, give the curriculum, give the latest technology, and we try to change the education something. And this also for the law, because more than 70 law faculty in Indonesia, how we can combine all together, work close together with the latest law regulation in Indonesia, for example. And then this is our experience. If you have a vocational school or high school, 3 years here, and then 8 semester in the polytechnic or so we call bachelor degree. And then our program is in Indonesia and then go to Thailand or go to Philippines and the other things across country. And then we have so we call common ASEAN tourist curriculum. How we can run this program? Because 10 Minister of Tourism already agree to run the similar curriculum in Southeast Asia. We have 240 box that 10 countries agree to run this program. And then this is our AKRF, the standard in Southeast Asia. We run this program for Southeast Asia, for example. And then this is our experience. This is 3 years vocational school and bachelor degree. Do we need 7 years study? In the futures, we have to think about this possibility to make the education more efficient, but more practice, for example. This is the curriculum that we prepare for from the university. And the question is here. Now, we have vocational school, high school, and the 4 is 7 years. We are from the engineers 4 years after high school. And then in the future, use the AI. Can we prepare from 7 to 3-4 years? Yes, because all the content is there. The content is all in the handphone and the device. So everybody can learn like ChatGPT, but we prepare Gemma GPT for this, for example. And then this is for our research here. And then we run in the fishery around more than 11 vocational school who prepare this one. from grade 10, 11, and 12 for this program. And the question is, fishery. We have 800 vocational school special in the agriculture. How we can prepare it together? This is our experience, and then our question, what next? What is the target to prepare the cheap fish across Southeast Asia, across Indonesia, and then let the student prepare it for the program by some, and this for sample. And then the other things, CNC. This is for the industry, for the manufacturer. The CNC machine is very expensive in Indonesia. But if there is simulation, and then there is 3D, use metaverse, 3D, so everybody across Indonesia, if there is internet connection, they can learn easily and fastly for all the terminology. And then they can come to one place that we can prepare it together in the future. And this is good for industry. We invite the industry who want to join with us. We can make you a 3D program, put in our Gemma GPT, and we can share to our vocational school and polytechnic school to promote your product, to introduce your product in Indonesia, for example. And then automotive also. With the e-vehicle from 100 point, that we can go together. Let we do it together among us. And then for Southeast Asia. Thank you very much. Yeah.